For me, si Or Tamar, because setter po rin ako, kaya he's my idol.
For me po, Brian Babunas, because I really love how high he jumps po and how hard he can hit po. Makes him a really versatile player po.
Yeah, Ethan's my favorite. Yung kanyang tenacity and the way he play in the court, yung kanyang joy sa loob, yun ang nagpapaano sa panahon sa
Ayun po, yung laro niya today sobrang ganda kasi napapasok niya yung mga palo niya and nakaka-score talaga. Kay Orjales, ayun, magaling din po yung mga palo niya, nakakapasok din, nakaka-score. Tapos ayun, nakaka-block din po sila. Lalo si Budin kasi sobrang dami niyang attacks and talagang pumapasok kahit nabablock.
Si Josh po because I saw him play when he was in USD. And grabe na-shock ako kasi he's so good. And he was playing as a hitter then. But now for Alas Pilipinas, he's playing as their libero. And you can see that he's such a well-rounded player no matter what position he's put in. So good.
Ang paborito ko pong player ng Alas Pilipinas ay si Josh Ibanez. Kasi magaling po siyang player offensively and defensively. And I hope we see him here in this game mag-spike.
Si Brian Bagunas. Well, I like how he plays. May character sa court and basta maganda, malakas maglaro. That's what I like with the player. Tsaka I followed him sa UAAP pa lang.
Ang favorite ko pong player is si Ibanez po kasi nakakatuwa po siyang makita maglaro lalo na po pag nagre-receive siya. So nakakagulat po na nag-libero siya pero sana may chance din na makapaglaro po siya ng ibang position.
Nakaka-proud si Kim Malabunga kasi na-witness ko siya since nung college days niya sa NU tsaka hanggang ngayon. Para nakaka-proud kasi syempre nakalaban nila yung Japan. Dati collegiate lang, tas ngayon nire-represent na nila yung Philippines.
I'm really excited to see the world's best play here po in the Philippines. It's a dream come true po to see them come here at our hometown po.
Wow, that's a big thing here in the Philippines. And right now, yung volleyball talaga rising here in our country. And hopefully, yung nakikuha ng mga women's volleyball, men's volleyball right now, eh talagang we support them all para talagang tuloy-tuloy tayo. Not only for here, talagang para maging international tayo level.
Sobrang excited po kasi love na love natin yung volleyball and excited tayo na makita lahat ng teams and kung paano mag-perform lahat.
Wow, I feel like it's such a big opportunity for the Philippines, both as a country and for our teams as well because we get to play with international players and we get to show the world that we have the potential to play in the big league as well. And I feel like our teams have so much potential. So I'm so glad that they'll be able to improve from that and just be able to play volleyball with the rest.
Maganda yun. I mean, with sa nakikita natin ngayon, dami ng fans ng volleyball. So it's a good opportunity to host the FIVB 2020. Okay, we'll watch it too.
Nakakatuwa po na nakasabay na po yung Philippines sa mga national games po and sana po is mapatunayan din po natin na kaya din po sumabay ng Pilipinas.
For Dallas, keep on fighting. Talagang ang ano natin ngayon is malalakas ng mga kalaban pero yung pusong Pinoy andyan pa rin. Kaya yun lang, puso lang laban and hopefully we can achieve our goals.
I believe that they have so much potential and the more they play, the more they'll get better and gain more fans and just become the best they can be in this sport.
So I hope they do well in this game. And sana maganda yung laro nila and magandang game yung ipakita nila sa fans.
Ang message ko po is kahit di po tayo masyadong sikat worldwide is sana hindi po sila makulangan ng confidence sa kanilang mga play and mag-work po sila as a team always.